We are here at the store called Canadian Tire. We are here to buy engine air filter and cabin air filter, and I think we found them. So we're gonna buy them and we will be replacing our filters, and I'll show you that as well. So we just got both the filters, air filter, cabin air filter and engine air filter, and we will be replacing this one right now. We will be changing both of them today. Usually the mechanics, they suggest us to change it around 15 to 20,000 kilometers, and let's start with the cabin air filter. This hook, we just have to pull it out. It's this easy. And then you have two screw types here. That's one, and one is on the other side right here. Just unscrew them. That's one. Second, and it's out. So now behind this one we have cabin air filter. This one is very easy to open as well. See there, that's one clip and that's the second clip. Just press it and pull it out. Same goes for the other. Press it and pull it out, and it's out. And just remove the filter carefully. That's how it looks like. Make sure you always change it in 20,000 kilometers. I'll show you how the new one looks like. That's the new one. You can see the difference. This thing goes back in. Just slide it, and these are the hooks. If you don't hear the clicks, remove it and put it back again. It's good. And then just this attachments back in their places. And that's the last thing. Just pull it and keep it together. So we are done with cabin air filter. We'll be changing engine air filter, and let's start with it. I'll just pop up the hood. To open engine air filter, it's very simple. That's one hook, and right, that's the second hook. Just unlock these hooks and lift it up carefully. And that's it. It is this simple to remove engine air filter. It looks good from the top, but this is a thing which you have to check for engine air filter. Look at the difference. Let's put the new one back in. And this too, make sure it goes inside. The second one as well, that's inside. And now the two hooks which we removed earlier, that's one, and that's the second. That's it. So that's it, guys. We just changed engine air filter and cabin air filter. Before this I always went to the mechanic and they are the ones who did it for me, but then when I checked it how easy it was to do it, so this time I did it by myself. They used to charge me around 150, but this time there is no labor cost, so I bought it $23 each, and I saved a lot of money. I saved around $100, and the hard work which I did, that was for barely 10 minutes. So it's very easy to do it. Don't go to mechanic for this small things. You'll be paying a lot of money. It's better you do it by yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.